Hi, this is James Bernard from Korg USA. We're here at the NAMM show presenting the new Electribe Esx, which is a sampler-based music production station. The unit has 24 megabytes of sample RAM, which gives you 285 seconds in mono, cut that in half for stereo, and it does do resampling as well. Looking at the tone generation, we've got single-shot samples in the drum parts. There's 9 of those. 2 keyboard parts, which allows you to play the sample across the keyboard range. 2 real-time stretching parts, which allows you to take any looped sample and make it work in any tempo. For example, we've got a guitar sample here, which I'm going to play and then just tap a different tempo in. Okay, so that allows us to do real-time time stretching along with everything else that's programmed in the pattern. And then we also have time slicing. Moving on into the sculpting possibilities of the unit, we have modulation and a filter section. The modulation is LFO with BPM syncing capability, and the filter is 4 types of filters. We've got the effects section, and in the effects section here we have 16 different effects to select from, up to 3 per pattern, and they can be chained in many different ways. The unit also has an arpeggiator section, which allows us to either create our performances using the arpeggiator ribbon and slider, or it also would allow us to improv on top of a pattern. By selecting a root note or chord, you can actually apply a scale type to the arpeggiator section so that everything you do on the arpeggiator is always in key and always in time with the rest of the music. And then finally, on the output stage of the unit, we have the valve force technology, which are 2 12AX7 Sovtech tubes. So the entire output of this unit goes on through the tubes and gives you that fat warmth and bottom end that you would expect out of an analog tube. So all of these new features that we have really give the most power and sound sculpting ability in any production station on the market today. The unit has an attitude, and that's the new Electribe Esx.